Good morning, traders, and welcome back to my channel Moody Traders. And it's 28th June 2024, and we'll be looking at EURUSD chart before London session starts. So, first of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So, be cautious at this time because it could be a high spread and high volatile timing. We are also having multiple medium impact news into the market, which could be having some of the potential to make a little volatility into the market. So be cautious at this time too. So let's move to the charts now. This is going to be a detailed analysis. So hold your horses and be patient. So yeah, first of all, this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and we are sweeping the highs of the previous monthly candles. This is a sign that the price is reluctant to go into the higher direction, and we are most probably going to move into the downward direction into the smaller time frames. Now that we know that we are going to be into the downward direction, what is the level we are going to target to? So we are having this unmitigated wick into the monthly levels. So I'm anticipating the price to mitigate this unmitigated wick of the previous monthly candle. So for now, let's move to the weeklies to see if we are having something in confluence with the monthly charts. So now this is the weekly chart. Yeah. And what is happening in the weekly is that we have swept the low of equal lows of the previous 2 weeks. So these previous 2 weekly candles were swept by this candle, and currently I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction because we have taken some kind of liquidity over here. So let's move to the dailies to see what is happening inside this candle and if we are going to support an upside or not. So now, yeah, here we go. So what we can see is that we were also having equal lows into the daily levels, and the price moved into the upside direction but failed to move further higher, and we have responded something here and moved into the downward direction. Currently we are within this candle's range, so the bias is still not clear, but we are having an idea that the price is reluctant to go any higher from this candle, and we are following something over here. So let's move to the 4 hours to see a detailed picture of what is happening inside overall structure. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that we took the liquidity and we broke the high over here into the 4 hours. So what is the candle or the order block which is responsible for this break? So this is the candle, this one is the candle which is responsible for this highs break. So if the price is going to respect this candle, because we retailers can't push this price and make a body close above this level, so I'm anticipating that the smart money is involved somewhere over here. So I'll be anticipating that if we are going to move into the upside direction, this candle won't be invalidated by the market. So now let's move to the 1 hours. Now this is the 1 hour chart, and we are having a different kind of scenario over here. So the price last push was this candle. We had some kind of reaction at this level, but the price failed to move into the upside direction and made a lower low at this point. So now that we are having this 4-hour zone and we are having this FVG at this point, so both are conflicting each other's idea. So for the bias to be clear, we are having a clear thing that if we are going to respect this FVG, most likely we are going to move into the downward direction. If not, if the FVG is disrespected by the market, and what do I mean by disrespecting this FVG is that the price is going to have a close above this FVG. So if we are going to have a close above this FVG, most likely the price could be into the upside direction, else we are going to move into the downward direction if there will be a wick in this FVG, or the price is going to react from this FVG. So for now, we are having this thing clear in our mind, that this FVG is going to be the decisional FVG. So now let's move to the 30 minutes to see if we are having something in confluence. So yeah, we are also having this thing in confluence, that we are having FVG even in 30 minutes. So for now, this could be a possible scenario that into the London session, we can possibly take the low of Asia and react from this 4 hours POI and move into the upside direction. Else, if we are going to fail this low, we are going to target this low and move into this unmitigated POI of the higher time frame. So for now, the bias is, if we are going to respect this FVG, we are going to move into the downward direction. If not, we are going to move into the upside direction and take all of these accumulated liquidities sitting into the market. So for the sessions liquidity, we can take the Asia low and respect this 4-hour POI and move into the upside direction. If not, we can respect this Asia FVG and we are going to disrespect it and continue our journey towards this unmitigated POI. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.